This 4-minute video is to show you how to use sets of filters to help your team quickly make decisions when faced with multiple options. My name is Chaz Thorne and I'm a partner at Barnraiser Strategic. We're a consulting firm that focuses on helping leaders get better decisions faster from their teams. Team decision making can frequently be tedious and time-consuming. Collaborative processes can and should result in a very large volume of ideas. But though having a lot of ideas to choose from sounds great in theory, it creates other problems. As a leader, you've just encouraged your team to invest their energy into coming up with some great thoughts. Now you're going to whittle down the list and kill some of their darlings in the process. How can you do this quickly without creating tension in the group? At Barnraisers, we establish a set of filters in advance of any team decision-making process. This set of 3 to 4 filters acts as the gauntlet that any potential idea or solution must be able to run in order to be pushed forward to the next stage. In a group context, applying this set of criteria helps ensure those involved that you aren't just picking favorites. There's an established methodology in place. Here's an example. A nonprofit needs to come up with some new ideas for how they can increase awareness and revenue for their organization. In advance of their group session, the executive director and project lead get together to establish the filter set. They land on an acronym for their 4 filters: REDO. Any proposed solution must promise results, be truly engaging, be doable, and be on brand. The team then gets together for their group ideation session. The individuals gathered are from all departments in the organization, and they have an energetic morning where they come up with dozens of great ideas. The exec director and project lead do not tell them about the REDO filter set in advance. They want them to be free to dream up anything in the morning without censoring themselves. However, in the afternoon, they have to start to make choices. The project lead explains the REDO filter set to the collective, and they take a first pass through their ideas. Instantly, many of the ideas are going to drop away. They just don't meet the criteria. The group will then take a second pass through the ideas and get into more detail about just how well each concept passes through the filters. Even more drop away. Notice that this gives the group a tangible way to talk about all the different concepts that's devoid from trashing certain ideas or showing favorability toward one or the other based on who came up with it. When they get down to a manageable number of ideas, they stop there. They don't need to finalize everything in this workshop. The project lead and exec director then give themselves a day or two for sober second thought before reviewing the final candidates together. They can then create a rating sheet for each of the ideas using the REDO filter set again before proceeding with the top choice or choices. This rating sheet can then be shared with the rest of the team, if appropriate, to reveal the rationale for how they arrived at their final decisions. To learn more about getting better decisions faster from teams, click on the link in the comments to get a copy of our free book, Barn Raising for Business.